everyone, it's Coco and welcome back to CUMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and market trends every single week. It's wonderful to have you with us for the Christmas as we wrap up 2023. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here to miss out on any future updates. This week, steel prices in China continue to show minor fluctuations at high levels. So what's been keeping prices from significant changes? Let's break it down. When we look at the market fundamentals, they appear generally weak. This is largely due to the impact of the colder weather and a noticeable downturn in the construction sector. Demand for long steel products is still contracting, but interestingly, the demand for flat steel remains resilient, driven by the manufacturing sector. And this has kept the supply-demand conflict for steel in check. On the other hand, iron ore prices are still high, which keeps steel prices from falling much. It seems there's limited room for prices to plummet. In a nutshell, the macroeconomic drivers are a bit lacking at the moment, leading to a fragile balance in supply and demand, and the market is being quite cautious. Therefore, we don't see much going up or down in steel prices this week. Next, let's examine the supply and demand performance. This week, China's apparent demand decreased by more than 240,000 tons, while total steel inventory increased by 200,000 tons, and steel production dropped as well. These figures are largely in line with market expectations without showing much supply-demand conflict. The latest data confirms our previous analysis, showing an increase in inventory for rebar and wire rod, while the stocks for hot-rolled coil, cold-rolled coil, and steel plates continue to decline, mirroring different demand patterns between long and flat steel products. So, what can we expect in the short term? Supported by iron ore prices, steel prices in China see an upward trend, with steel mills having relatively low iron ore inventories with a need to replenish. Iron ore prices are more likely to rise, driving up steel prices. Additionally, in the last week of 2023, the market might get some extra push from new macroeconomic factors. Therefore, we expect steel prices to show a relatively positive performance next week. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Have a Merry Christmas and see you next week. Bye bye!